Good morning, students. We have already started Act 3, and the previous day we have learned Act 3, Scene 1. So today we will start Act 3, Scene 2. I hope you all have gone through all the scenes with proper attention. So keep your book ready with you and let us start with Act 3, Scene 2. In this particular scene we will notice that Caliban will introduce his scheme or his planning to murder Prospero, and he will make both Stefano and Trinculo to fall into his plan. They will agree with, and Ariel will try to destroy their planning. So this is the thing we will get on this particular scene, and there will be some other things. So let us go through line to line explanation. Act 3, Scene 2, enter Caliban, Stefano and Trinculo. Stefano says to Trinculo, tell not me. Actually, Trinculo was trying them not to drink too much. So Stefano is saying, do not ask me to stop drinking. When the bath is out, we will drink water. Means we will drink until the cask is empty. Okay, it becomes empty until the cask is empty. We will drink, and at that time only we will drink water. Before that we will keep on drinking, not a drop before, and before that we will not even drink a drop of water. Therefore, bear up and board them. So let us attack on the cask and let us make it empty. Servant monster, drink to me. Means the way I drink, you, my servant, to addressing to Caliban, he says, you also keep on drinking like us. Drink to my health. Now, Trinculo says, servant monster, the folly of this island. Means Trinculo is quite means he is surprised to witness Stefano to address Caliban as servant monster, and he admits it as Stefano has become such a fool from the time he reached on this particular island. They say therefore they say there is but 5 upon this island. It is said that there are total 5 persons on this island. We are 3 of them. If the other 2 be brained like us, the state totters. Means and if total 5 are there, then we 3 are there, including Stefano, Trinculo and Caliban. And the other 2, if they are as unintelligent as we are, then this particular state or this particular island is in great insecurity. Okay, means it's in rather it's in instability. Now Stefano says, drink, servant monster, when I beat thee. When I ask you to drink, you keep on drinking, my servant, addressing to Caliban. Thy eyes are almost set in thy head. Yet it seems your eyes are set on your head. Trinculo says, where should they be set else? Means where do you expect his eyes to be set then, if it is not on head? He were a brave monster indeed if they were set in his tail. He would have appeared more brave if his eyes were set in his tail. Actually, they are means here we find that they are talking about his appearance of Caliban. He is half human being, half fish. So that's why they are mocking somehow. Trinculo especially. Now Stefano says, my man monster hath drowned his tongue in sack. He says, means Stefano says that I feel that he is much intoxicated. As soon as he drank, he is means his everything is controlled. Rather, he is intoxicated. For my part, the sea cannot drown me. And if you ask me about my case, means as Caliban has he is drunk and he is somehow intoxicated. Means he he is not in his own control. So if you ask me about myself, then I can see, even if I were to drink a sea of wine, then also means I would never feel intoxicated. Means I would not have any effect even if I were to drink a sea of wine. I swam. I could recover the shore 5 and 30 leagues off and on. Now he says, and for my case, I have already come across 35 leagues. So this way I have proved myself already. Means I have overcome that storm, and uh, I have come across so far. Thou shalt be my lieutenant monster. Means you are going to be my representative or my standard. Standard means the soldiers who carry flag, who bear flag in those soldiers. So he addresses Caliban that you are going to be my representative. I am going to appoint you as my representative or my flag bearer. Standard means flag bearer here. Now, Trinculo says, "You, lieutenant, if you list, he is no standard." Yes, he can be your representative, but he cannot be your flag bearer, because he is so drunk that he cannot even walk steadily. So how can he bear your flag? Now, Stephanus says, "We will not run." Uh, Monster means we are not going to leave the battlefield, Mr. Monster. Trinculo says, "No, go neither." Yes, you actually, now Trinculo says that you will not run away, out of the battlefield. It's nothing like that. Rather, you cannot even walk, because you both of you are so drunk that you even cannot walk steadily. So in that sense, you cannot run away as well. Only the thing you all can do, that is, both you will lie like dogs and yet say nothing neither. You both of you can only lie down here like dogs. Nothing else can be done. You cannot even walk steadily. Now, Stephanus says, "Mooncalf, speak once if thy life," means you are some misshapen creature. If you can speak, if you have life at least within you, then speak out. "If thou beest a good mooncalf," means if you were, means speak if you are an excellent monster. Means excellent monster with a, means what can you, with a grotesque body. Okay, means a kind of strange body. So you just speak out what Stephanus says. Now Caliban says, "How does thy honor," means how to honor you. "Let me lick thy shoe." "I will not serve him, he is not valiant." Yes, let me prove myself that I'm going to serve you. I'm your, um, I'm at your service. I can even lick your shoe, but I'm not going to serve him. Him means Trinculo, because I consider him not to be a brave person. Valiant means brave person. Now Trinculo says, "Thou liest, most ignorant monster. I am in case of Jostle, a constable. You are lying. You are lying. You are ignorant monster." He addresses, Trinculo addresses Caliban, and he says, "I am in such a mood right now that I can even commence, even I can even come against, even stand against a police constable right now. Why thou debauched feast thou? Was there ever man, coward, that hath drunk so much sack as I today?" When you are having such deformed structure, how can you say so? Have you ever seen a coward person to drink so much, the way, means as much as I did, means as I am drunk so much, I have, means so I can not be a coward person. Wilt thou tell a monstrous lie, being but a half a fish and half a monster? Is this the normal? Is it a normal thing for a creature who, like you, who is half monster and half fish? Caliban says, "Lo, how he mocks me! Wilt thou let him, my lord?" Caliban addresses Stephano as Milord, and he says, "See the way he is mocking at me. So will you tolerate this?" Now Trinculo says, "Lord, quoth he, that a monster should be such a natural, means such an idiot. A monster cannot be such an idiot. So it's quite unnatural. It's not natural for a monster to speak in this way, like to quote Lord, me Lord, like this." Caliban says, "Lo, again, bite him to death, I pray thee. I request you, sir, you just give him nicely, just beat him so that he dies." Now, Stephano says, "Trinculo, keep a good tongue in your head. Use a civic tongue, means you do not speak in this manner. If you prove Matina, means if you stand against, means if you rebel against my authority, the next tree I will hang you to the next tree I find. The poor monsters my subject, and he shall not suffer indignity. And this poor monster is my slave, so I'm not going to tolerate if anyone insults him." Caliban says, "I thank my noble lord. Wilt thou be pleased to hearken once again to the sweet I made to thee? Will you listen to the same request I already made to you? Will you be pleased to hear to my request, or to consider my request?" Stephano says, "Mary, I will lie. Yes, I swear on Mother Mary, Virgin Mary, that I will listen to your words. Kneel and repeat it. You just means you just kneel here, come on your knee and request me once again. I will follow you, and so will Trinculo. Both of us will obviously grant your request. In the meantime, Ariel enters and he is invisible." Now Caliban says, "As I told thee before, I am subject to a tyrann." Tyrann means a very cruel, unkind master. So I have been enslaved by a very cruel, unkind person, a sorcerer, that by this his cunning hath cheated me of this island. Now, and that person, that very cruel person, master, who has taken this island from me, and he has cheated on me. Ariel says, "Thou liest." And Caliban assumes that Trinculo said that you are lying. So to Trinculo he says, "Thou liest, thou jesting monkey, thou. I would, my valiant master would destroy thee. I do not lie." Now, as he assumes that Trinculo may have said Caliban was lying, so he says, "You are a liar, you are a monkey, and I know that if I ask, my brave master will destroy you. You are a liar." Now Stephano says, "Trinculo, if you trouble him any more in his tale, by this hand I will supplant some of your teeth. If you disturb him while he explains his plot, I will somehow beat you. I will pluck some of your teeth." Now Trinculo says, "Why? I said nothing." Stephano says, "Mum then, and no more." Now he says, "Then be silent." And to Caliban he asks him to proceed. Caliban says, "I say by a sorcery he got this island. By his magic he took this island from me. He got it. If thy greatness will, revenge it on him, for I know thou darest, but this thing dare not. If you can take this island back from him, because I know you are brave enough, but this fellow Trinculo, he cannot do so. He is not so brave." Now Stephano says, "That's most certain. Yes, you are absolutely true in that fact." Means he also admits Trinculo not to be brave as he is not as brave as Stephano. Now Caliban says, "Thou shalt be lord of it, and I will serve thee. And if you can snatch the island from Prospero, then you will be the master, and I will be your servant on this island." Now Stephano says, "How now shall this be compassed? Canst thou bring me to the party?" Means yes, how to execute this? Means let me just take me to your master, take me to the man Prospero. Now Caliban says, Yeah, my lord, I will yield him thee asleep where thou mayest knock a nail into his head. Yes, I will take you when he is asleep, and in that time you will just knock a nail into his head. Ariel says, thou liest, thou canst not. Now again, Ariel says, you are lying and you cannot do so. Caliban, again he thinks that Trinculo said this and he says, what a pied nin is this? Pied nin means what a motley clown. Motley clown means a clown in a circus who wears multicolored clothes. So he says, you are like that motley clown, you are wearing such a dress. He actually addresses his the way he is dressed up. Thou scabby patch, I do beseech thy greatness, give him blows, and take his bottle from him. I request to you, my master Stephano, please make him learn a lesson. Just snatch his bottle from him. When that's gone, he shall drink naught but brine. Now, if he doesn't have the bottle from where he is drinking, if he doesn't have that, then he will be forced to drink sea water which is salty and which is not drinkable at all. For I will not show him where the quick fishes are, and then that time I will not show him the fresh drinking water, so he will somehow suffer. Now Stephanus says, Trinculo, run into no further danger. Interrupt the monster one word further, and by this hand I will turn my mercy out of doors and make a stockfish of thee. Now he wants Trinculo that if you again interrupt this servant of mine, I'm going to punish you. Okay, I'm not going to do any any mercy on you. Rather, I'm going to make you like a dried cod or dry fish who are beaten up badly in order to make them dried or to pieces. So I'm going to do that. Now Trinculo says, why? What did I? I did nothing. I will go farther off. He says, I did nothing. Why are you saying so? Then I need to move away from there. Now Stephanus says, didst thou not say he lied? Did you not say that? Not say Caliban that he is a liar? Ariel says, thou liest. So again they think that Trinculo is saying, but actually it's Ariel who is invisible. Now Stephanus says, do I so? Take thou that. And he beats Trinculo. As you like this, give me the lie and the time. If you like this beating, now he beats, Stefano beats Trinculo, and he says, if you like this beating, do call me a liar once again. I will give you again. I will again beat you. Trinculo says, I did not give the lie. I didn't say that. Out of your wits and hearing too. Means you means when you came across this particular uh, creature, Caliban, you are not only out of your wit but also out of you cannot even hear properly. So a pox over your bottle. You are so drunk that you cannot even hear. You cannot use your own wit as well as you cannot hear. So a pox upon your bottle. This can sack and drinking do. Means this is the way means when means when a person is drunk, this is the way wine takes over the man. A murden on your monster, and the devil take your fingers. The means the monster should be somehow diseased or somehow affected, and let the devil take your fingers, the fingers with which you have bitten me. Now Caliban laughs at it, and Stephanus says, now forward with your tale. And to Trinculo he says, pray thee stand further off. Caliban says, beat him enough. After a little time I will beat him too. Okay. Now Stephanus says, stand farther. Come, proceed. To Caliban he says, you just proceed with your story. Now Caliban says, why, as I told thee, it's a custom with him in the afternoon to sleep. Why did I told you that when he is asleep I will take you to him? That means when it is afternoon he is fast asleep. He sleeps at that time. So up to this much we have only two scenes left. Okay, scene 2 and scene 3, and you need some time to go through the line also. So we will start from Caliban's speech from the next day. Up to this, come and proceed up to this much, line number 83 we end up here today. From 85 to the rest part we will go for the next day. We have enough time at our hand, so no need to worry. I hope you all could understand today's part. So if you face any kind of problem anywhere or any kind of query you have, then you may send those through subject query button. So this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.